everyone, and welcome back to English Vibes, the show where we make English learning fun, real, and full of good vibes. I'm Zara.
And I'm Ryan. Hello, Zara. And hey, everyone. It's great to be here.
So, Ryan, how's your week been?
Busy, but good. I've been working a lot, but I finally got some time to relax and do the things I love.
That's awesome. And you know what? That's exactly what we're talking about today. Hobbies and free time.
Oh yes, one of my favorite topics. Because let's be honest, life without hobbies would be so boring.
True. Hobbies keep us happy, balanced, and creative.
All right, let's start with the basics. Zara, what's your favorite hobby?
That's easy. Painting. I love playing with colors and creating something from my imagination.
That's beautiful. What kind of things do you paint?
Mostly nature, mountains, sunsets, sometimes animals. I also like abstract art when I'm feeling creative.
Wow, you must have a colorful room full of paintings.
Yes, my walls are my personal gallery. What about you, Ryan? What's your hobby?
My main hobby is playing guitar. I started when I was 15. It was my way of expressing emotions.
That's amazing. Do you still practice often?
Almost every day. It's like therapy for me. When I play, I forget everything else.
I totally understand that. Art and music both help us express what words sometimes can't.
So, besides painting, what else do you like to do in your free time?
Let's see. I also love reading, especially mystery and fantasy novels. They take me to another world.
Oh, same here. I've recently started reading a book called Atomic Habits. It's about improving small things in your life.
Oh, I've heard of that one. So you're into self-development books.
Yeah, I find them really motivating. They make me feel like I can do more every day.
That's great. I think reading, any kind of reading, makes you smarter and more creative.
100%. And for English learners, reading is like a secret weapon. You learn new words naturally.
So what do your weekends look like, Ryan?
Saturdays are for soccer. I play with a group of friends in the park. After that, we usually grab coffee and talk about football, life, and random stuff.
That sounds fun and healthy too. Sports are such a great hobby.
True. What about you, Zara?
Weekends are my creative time. I paint, read, and sometimes bake. Oh, and I go out with my best friend for coffee. That's a must.
You bake? What's your signature dish?
Cupcakes, but sometimes they look more like muffins.
Well, muffins or cupcakes, as long as they're sweet, I'm in.
Deal! I'll bring some next episode.
Nice. I'll bring the coffee. Okay, let's help our listeners talk about their own hobbies in English.
Yes, you can use simple phrases like I enjoy, my favorite hobby is.
And remember, when you use a verb after like or enjoy, it should end with ing.
Exactly. So you say, I like playing football, not I like play football.
Right. Let's do a few examples for practice.
Sure. I'll say a hobby and you make a sentence.
Let's go.
Reading.
I enjoy reading mystery books before bed.
Nice. How about cooking?
I like cooking Italian food for my friends.
Ooh, fancy. Okay, painting.
I enjoy painting landscapes when I have free time.
Perfect. You're a natural.
You know, there are so many types of hobbies. Some are creative, like painting or music. Some are active, like hiking or dancing.
Yes, and some are relaxing, like reading, gardening, or meditation.
I tried yoga once. Let's just say I almost fell asleep on the mat.
That means it worked. Yoga is supposed to relax you.
True. What's one hobby you've always wanted to try but never did?
I'd love to learn photography. I want to take pictures that tell a story.
That's a great one. I'd like to try cooking, but not just toast. I mean, real cooking.
Ryan and the burnt toast story again.
Hey, everyone starts somewhere. Chef Ryan is coming soon.
I'll believe it when I taste it. You know, hobbies also depend on culture. For example, in India, a lot of people love cricket. In Japan, people enjoy origami, the art of paper folding.
Yes, in Europe, hiking and cycling are super popular. And in the US, many people love DIY projects or collecting things.
That's true. Every culture has something unique to share.
I think hobbies say a lot about who we are.
Yes, and they help us relax, learn new things, and and stay positive.
I agree. Some people say they don't have time for hobbies, but even small ones count, like listening to music or writing a journal.
Exactly. It's not about time. It's about joy.
Well said, Zara.
Okay, listeners, let's do a quick speaking challenge. I'll ask you a question, and you answer in English out loud.
Don't worry, we can't hear you, but speaking out loud helps build confidence.
Ready? Question 1. What's your favorite hobby?
Question 2. When do you usually do it? On weekdays or weekends?
Question 3. Who do you do it with? Alone or with friends?
Nice job. Even short answers help you improve your fluency.
So, Ryan, before we end, if you had to choose only one hobby for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Definitely playing guitar. It's my escape and my happiness.
That's a good one. For me, painting. It keeps me calm and inspired.
Sounds perfect.
So, to all our listeners, don't forget to make time for what makes you happy.
Yes, even 15 minutes a day can make a big difference.
And practice English while doing your hobby. Watch videos, listen to podcasts, or describe what you're doing in English.
Exactly. For example, if you're cooking, say out loud, "I'm cutting the vegetables," or "I'm making pasta."
That's such a smart tip. All right, that's all for today's episode of English Vibes.
Thank you for tuning in, everyone.
Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite hobby?
Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, I like playing chess in the evening. I enjoy dancing with my friends.
We'll read your comments in the next episode.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Vibes for more fun conversations like this.
Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep doing what you love.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.